friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the bedroom cupboard design ideas because when it comes to designing, organizing your cupboard, the layout you choose plays significant role maximizing space utilization and enhancing functionality. Understand the importance of efficient cupboard layout, which is why cupboard layout for your bedrooms. This layout offers several advantages that makes excellent choice for your modular cupboard design. The hinged shutter wardrobe layout is designed to make the most efficient use of available the space and carefully plan and customize the layout to suit your specific requirements. They consider factors such as the dimension of the room, available wall space and your storage need to create cupboard that maximize storage capacity without compromising on the aesthetic. One of the primary advantages of hinged shutter cupboards has their accessibility. The hinged doors open fully, allowing you to access the entire of your cupboards, and this design makes it convenient to view and reach your clothing accessories and other items. Unlike sliding door wardrobes, hinged shutters provide to access to your belongings, making it easier to organize at grace. Cupboards with other quality and durable to products. Shutter wardrobes are crafted using high pressure laminated HPL and termite proof and waterproof materials knows its strength and longevity. We ensure that our clothes organized built to withstand the test of time, providing you with storage solution for your years to come. Understand the frustration of sagging shutter that can occur over time. However, this innovation technique ensured the shutter remain firmly in the place, eliminating the problem of sagging doors. With wardrobes, you can enjoy a smooth and hassle-free option without worrying about loose crease or sagging shutter. Cupboards value to provide customer with hassle-free experience, unlike traditional carpenters whose may cause by offering unclear pricing and uncertain timeline. Provide to single transparent pricing model. This means you receive clear-cut overview of the cost involved, ensuring there are no surprises. Along with they additionally offer free warranty. The hing shutter wardrobes layout offer brings numerous advantages to homeowners from optimal space utilization and easy accessibility. Wardrobes are designed to enhance functionality, provides a long-lasting storage solution with transparent pricing, efficient installation. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share it. Thank you for watching.